Make a great choice today with the 2016 Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.